All right. We got the printer here. We got the printer here. We get a big, huge, gigantic computer. There's a printer and an enclosure. The foam board I need to do something with. Um, we've got the other computer over here. We got the FTDX 3000 running FT8 right now. And I don't really step away from it. I just stepped away for a second to just kind of show you. We got the 710, which is not hooked to an antenna. And it's over there. I was actually on the London, Ontario repeater. We got the ham clock running on that TV there on a Raspberry Pi 3B Plus or something like that. And the other Linux computer, which also has a secondary hard drive in it for Windows when I need to use Windows. And if we're really going to get into detail, we have the EG4 6000 XP off-grid 48 volt inverter all in one, and there's 48 volts, 100 amp hours worth of batteries, and my chair that Elizabeth keeps trying to threaten to take because it's very comfortable. Some of the streaming stuff that I use, more junk up here. The other 48 volt system, or excuse me, 24 volt system, 100 amp hours worth of batteries there. I don't know how much solar is on that one, but technically we have like 30 or 40 panels here. So, and they're not 100 watt like, RV panels, they're residential. So we have a backup system, but it's usually running the air conditioner. So it's usually, at the end of the day, not much left. We're not, storing much. The air conditioner is over here. I got to get some of this other stuff sorted, but we're making some progress. Hopefully in the winter, which is when I like to do my 3D printing, I can get some cool projects done. Maybe I'll look for some Halloween stuff to print for the kids. I definitely have too many of them. These ones here I haven't even had time to mess with anymore. They're a large format printer, and I really think that they could really shine if you just got rid of all this crap and went to Klipper. I think that this is like an excellent platform for a fast Klipper printer, because any of these printers can print fast. Okay, you get two choices, two restrictions: how much the hot end can flow, and the computer. So that's why Klipper is really good, but you can only print as fast as the hot end can flow. All this other hardware really isn't an issue. It's definitely capable. So, but my two favorite printers definitely give me problems just like everything else. So there isn't like really, in my opinion, a perfect like printer, except for maybe a Bamboo Lab or something like that, where they've like really went the extra mile to make sure that it works. So I've got this other station area back here. I haven't finished because I need to pull it out. I'm just put it here for the time being. So I'm not sure what we're going to do here. I have what needs to be a 2-meter station here, 100 watt, single sideband, and my FT102, some other stuff. This computer is not necessary back here. Stereo needs to be mounted somewhere out of the way so that I can put my 901 DM right next to the Yaesu 101 station. So I need a couple CB radios here. I'd like to have a monitoring station just to listen. Sometimes I can actually even hear them with no antenna. They're that loud. But at any rate, there's just too much RF when I transmit. I can't get an antenna far enough away, so probably not a good idea. And then all the cheap Squier guitars and Starcasters that I modified in Ibanez, Washburn. Well, it's actually Oscar Schmidt. So my tube amplifiers for that. So anyway, that's what we got going on. And let's see if we're making any contacts or if we got kicked out of here. I got kicked out of here. I did make one contact, so that's cool. So we know it works. We shall catch you guys later.